Hey everyone, what's up? It's Raya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we'll get right on into the video. So, I felt inspired to actually do makeup today, so I decided to take that opportunity and use it and run with it. So I'm going to be doing a springtime makeup look that's like an easy way to incorporate color. And I was inspired by the colors green and purple. I think both of those colors are so in this season. I've seen green everywhere and purple is kind of always a hit in the spring. So I wanted to do a green and purple look, but not a super complicated too much green and purple look, like a fun springtime experimental moment that anyone could try to do just for a nice spring day. So I guess I won't waste any time and we can just get right on into doing the makeup. So for primer today, I'm going to be using the Frida collab with Ulta, and it's their Perfect Canvas Face Primer, and it's just like a silicone primer, so I'm just going to put a little bit all over my face. And another catch on today's video is that almost every product we're going to use today is drugstore, so it's also an affordable way to have fun spring makeup. I've also been breaking out a lot, so that's why I chose this like silicone pore filling primer, because I have this and then my chin. Gotta love female hormones. Actually, I don't know if any of us actually do, but this one just popped up today and it's just so annoying. So I'm just going to use the Laura sponge that I got in my last makeup video that I did. I'll be sure to put it in a tag up here at some point throughout the video, and it will be linked down in the description if you would like to check it out. Laura's makeup is really good, at least that's my opinion. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And I like this foundation. I just dropped it. But I like this foundation because of the applicator. I think it is an awesome applicator to just be able to paint foundation everywhere. And I've only used this foundation a couple of times, but I'm pretty sure the last time I used it, I really liked it because it gives you a nice glow. It still might be a little too dark for me though. I'm ready for summertime, so then my skin will match half my foundations again, because like I said, I haven't been feeling doing makeup, so I haven't bought new foundation or anything recently, so I pretty much don't have foundation in my current shade that I need. At least not a lot of it, that's for sure. Man, this pimple is just testing me. It's really trying to show through. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Born to Glow NYX concealer. It is very light, so I'm gonna try to be a bit careful. It blends out so nicely though. Like, I can't believe it looks like this and started out this bright. For powder, I'm going to be using the Essence All About Matte powder, and I'm just going to be using this Eco Tools brush and setting where I just put concealer. That's all I really like to set because I have dry skin, so I don't need to worry about oiliness. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronze palette in the shade Fiji. That's the inside. And I'm just going to be using an F29 brush. I tried to pull some products that I hadn't used in a while for this video because I haven't been buying new makeup as much recently, so I want to start falling in love with products that I used to use again. And I forgot how pigmented this bronzer was. And to contour my nose, I'm just going to use a JS9 brush. Gave myself a cute little button nose. If you don't know how to do that, I just go down both sides of my nose and then I make sure to do the tip, and then just right above the tip I make a line right here, just a really faint line, and it makes your nose look like it's upturned a little bit. That's just how I've been trying to contour it. From the side you can tell my nose is not upturned, but from the front it's looking cute. And for blush, I'm just going to use that Eco Tools brush that I used for powder, and I'm just going to use the blush in this palette as well. Don't sleep on e.l.f. If you haven't tried tried a lot of their stuff yet. I love their products. Definitely a dream sponsorship / collaboration for someday in the future. You gotta dream, you gotta manifest, and I would love to work with e.l.f. And one of the only products today that we're going to be using that isn't Drugstore is Laura Lee's Glazed Palette. And I am just going to take my e.l.f. small taper brush. I haven't used this brush in a hot minute. And I'm just going to go into Diamond, which is the lightest shade here, and put it on our cheeks. Man, it feels good to do makeup again. I seriously have felt so uninspired when it came to makeup. I haven't wanted to do anything. Also, this highlight, freaking unbelievable. Are you kidding me? But it feels so good to just sit down, do my makeup, and do it purely for fun. Like, I don't know. I used to do this all the time, but now every time that I've done my makeup recently, it's been because I'm going somewhere. And now I'm just going to set with the Kokie Cosmetic Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray. Oh. And now we can go on to eyes, which is the part that I'm really excited for because I'm going to be doing green and purple together. So I just haven't decided if I want this to be green, like the majority color to be green, or should the majority color be purple. I'm kind of feeling green. I feel like green's been such a big color lately. Okay, so the first shade that we're gonna go into is Designer, and it's a like satiny green shade. So it's not matte, but it's not like super sparkly. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Just get the green started. I don't think I've used this color at all yet. And my lids are just primed with my concealer. That's what I like to do majority of the time. So on camera, it's looking kind of yellow, but I can assure you it's like a bright lime green. And I just did windshield wiper motions to really disperse it out because I'm not trying to do the most like intricate look. I just kind of want the color scheme of it. And I just want to give you a warning that this looks like it should have sparkle in it in the pan. I don't know if you can tell, probably not, but there is absolutely no sparkle on my eyes. So I don't know why that's happening, but I just thought I would let you all know because I've never used this shade on my eyes yet. And it's not yellow. I promise it's not yellow. Next, I'm going to be taking an E22 brush and I'm gonna go into Dyed Up, which is this green. And I don't remember if I said the first shade name, but it's Designer. And I'm just going to put this in the outer corner and fluff it out a little bit and in. Just like keep it in that corner, but in and out, so then it gets an airbrush type of look out there. So I'm actually gonna take an E25 brush and Dyed Up to build it up, and then I'll blend it out with the E22. And now I'm just going to take Pose, which is this green shade, and put it on my lid. Holy cow. Now that shimmer is pigmented. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I really like how it's coming out so far. I wish the first shade didn't look kind of yellow, but what are you gonna do? And now the fun part comes in, at least a little bit of it. And I'm going to be taking this LA Girl neon eyeliner, and I'm going to line the top of my lids with purple. But I have to get close so I can see in my mirror, so hello. I generally try not to pull on my eyeball, but this was having a hard time going on top of the green, I think. Or it just wasn't like pressed down enough, but there is one eye pretty much done. Time to do the other eye. Ooh! Actually showed up really well once I really got in there and just started pretty much stabbing my eyeball, but wow. I like it. It reminds me of Nyx. It reminds me of Daphne from Scooby-Doo. She would wear green and purple, right? But there is that. So now on the bottom, on the waterline, I'm going to be using the green LA Girl gel liner. And I know for this one, I really have to friggin' dig in there to make it show up on my waterline. Sorry for this beautiful image. And I'm going to take it and just do like my lower lash line a little bit. Actually, no, not the lower lash line. Not the lower lash line. Abort mission. I'm going to be taking purple on the lower lash line. That was my whole freaking point, was that it'd be green, purple, green, purple. I just almost ruined my own look. What was I thinking? With an E26 brush, I'm going to go into Selfie, which is this light purple. And it also has a shimmer in it, but I'm highly doubting that's gonna show up. And I'm just going to take that along my waterline. I just noticed on the corner of my palette, there are some bite marks. I wonder who that could have came from. And now with my JS12, I'm gonna go into Majestic, which is this deeper purple, kind of matches our eyeliner more. And I'm just gonna drag that along the lower lash line as well. That turned it into like a smoky eye. Oh dang, it's so pigmented. And with the E26, I'm going to go into Diamonds, the highlight, and I'm going to highlight our inner corner. So there's our eye up close, if you can see it all. It'll look better once I have lashes on, I promise. Brow gel. And for my brows today, I'm going to take the Morphe Brow Gel, and I'm going to brush them up first, do my mascara, and then finish them, because I'm trying something new. Well, trying a new method, I guess. So I'm just going to make them fluffy. I feel like that's what the brow trends are now. I don't know. I can't keep up with all the trends, but I love this brow gel because of how long the spikes are to comb through your hairs. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and use the Essence Lash Princess mascara, which we all know has been all over TikTok, or was all over TikTok, or continues to be all over TikTok. And for only $5, you truly can't beat it. Essence has a lot of good stuff, and for beyond affordable pricing. And I'm not going to wear lashes today because I haven't been wearing eyelashes recently, and I don't want the eyelashes to overpower this look because I like the color schematic and like the mixing matching of it. Wow, I like that. And now I'm going to be using the Milani Weekend Brow. I bought it for a video and I haven't used it pretty much since. So that's why I set the brows first so they'd already be up and ready to go. And then I will use these to create little hairs and then I might set it again. But like I was saying, this is like a little pen. So you just like create your own hairs. I don't know why, but brows are the hardest for me to be able to do well, I swear. Okay, I think that's it for the brows. I couldn't tell you if I like them or not yet. I thought putting the brow gel down first would be a good idea, but this brow gel is no joke and really sticks them in there. It feels like there's mousse on my eyebrows, so that might not have been the move. My bad. We live and we learn. I will do better next time. Now I'm just going to take a ColourPop lip liner in Bumble and line my lips. I've been trying to experiment with lip liner a little bit more. This is pigmented as heck. And I'm just going to take this LA Girl Plumping Lip Gloss and put that over it. Man, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to set my face again. Oh, I probably held that too close to my face. I just felt like I looked like that pillow face freaking filter on Instagram. What the heck? And that is our look for today. I am really happy with how it came out. I'll get close so you can see everything. My eyebrows, they are a work in progress. I forgot how much this lip plumper burns, so that's cool. There it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm so glad that I just had inspiration to do makeup again. Like, this was fun. I don't know why it's taken me so long, months, to be motivated to do it, but here we are, and I'm happy I did it. So, and I hope you guys like the look. I hope it inspires you to pick up something that you haven't done in a while and find joy in it again. Anyways, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and comment down below what your favorite color has been for this spring season. Mine has actually been yellow. I've been loving yellow, but I decided to switch it up by doing some other fun spring colors. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be on Thursday. Bye!